Putting in work this week. It's Monday night, it's horse night. We're on the rinse cycle now. Doug's gone trout fishing, him and his brother Dave, so it's just me and Daryn until Wednesday. Dave Hauser will be out here tomorrow night. Don't know about Nicholas, but he's going to get going on tires. It does not want to come. Cleaned up, put back together. About 3/4 of the maintenance done. Now we just got to decide where we're going this weekend, if at all. That steel plate fell off.
We'll move that thing now. See that? Now that thing might have took a set. Like it helped. You help here. Hit that right here. Hit this side of it. That's it. Loosen that thing and see if it stays. Look at that. Told you, buddy.
Rocking.
Get closer.
So close.
Who come up with the shim idea?
Me.
It's a pretty nifty idea there, buddy.
I work with a lot of shims. They're a lot thinner than that, though.
Yeah.
Junk.
That's it. One more time.
Boom. Boom.
Good Saturday morning to you. It's about 8:45 this morning. Just want to give you a quick update. We are racing tonight at Peebly. It is not a bi-state battle night. It's just a UMP night. Next week, we are racing Friday night at Granite City with the World Outlaws. And then Saturday night, we will be back at Highland with the Bi-State Battle Series. Sorry for the lack of midweek videos the past couple weeks. It's been kind of hectic, crazy schedules with everybody. And somebody's there one night, somebody's there the next night. We should be getting back on track with a midweek video this week or next week. Still have our t-shirts available. You can pick them up at the trailer if you're at a racetrack we're at, or you can order them online at DarynKleinRacing.com, and I will get them sent out to you. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you all at the track soon.